Hey guys, we're diving in pretty deep to code.org this week. You'll be working on this website for 4 days over the next 3 weeks, 4 days each over the next 3 weeks, and you'll only have typing practice on Fridays. So, beginning Monday this week, you'll work on lesson 2, programming with Angry Birds. That's where I am right now. You can see up here at the top, this bar shows my progress, and you'll have the same bar across the top of your work as you go. When all of these dots are green, you're done. So when you get to 11, as long as they're solid green, you're going to get full credit for this lesson as far as I'm concerned, okay? So I'm on lesson 5 right now. This is a good example that I can show you that should help you be able to think through all of the lessons in lesson 2, or all of the puzzles in lesson 2. But you'll start with 1, and you'll need to watch this video before you move on. Always watch the videos because they are very clarifying. But like I said, I'm going to work through lesson 5 with you today. So you have your play area over here. This is where you're going to see the action when you click run. I'm going to start this over because it saved my previous progress. Okay. Then here you have your toolbox. This is where you're going to get any pieces that you're going to use to move your character. And here you have your workspace. You've got to move blocks from your toolbox to your workspace to make your character move on the puzzle. And you're going to have a different character that you're trying to move every puzzle. Today it happens to be Angry Birds. So we want to get this red bird over to the green pig. All right, so the first thing we need to do is obviously move forward 1 space. So I drag over, move forward, and I've got to make sure that it clicks on when run. Everything is going to click together on these puzzles. So in that way, it's a little bit different than the dance party we did as the warm-up. So make sure it clicks on there or your program is not going to know to run that block of code. All right, once I'm here, I can step it up to see what to do. Okay, so once I'm here, I see that I need to turn before I do anything next. So I see I need to turn right. Okay. All right, once I'm here, I'm turned, but I'm still in this spot. Okay, so I can reset it. If I know what to do, I can keep putting my code over here. But if I need to see the step by step, I can step it forward again. Okay, so now I can see that he's here and he's facing this way, but there's still work that we need to do. So I need to move forward again. Once I move forward, I know from my own spatial awareness that I'm going to need to turn left and move forward one more time before I get to that pig, okay? So I've got to reset my workspace and run it again. And I was successful. So you may be the type of person who needs to run that code every time to see where you are on the board before you add another piece of code, another block. But you may be the type of person who can see and feel spatially what you need to do next. But the bottom line is, our instructions at the top said to trace the path and lead me to the silly pig. So I did that. If I had needed some help, I've got 2 hints over here. So it asked me, do I want a hint? Yes, I do. Remember that when you turn, you're turning from the bird's point of view. If you turn right, the bird will point down. All right. My second hint, follow the path. And then it actually just literally gives me the instructions to get to the end. Okay. So use your hints if you need them. Move through all 11 of these puzzles to get through lesson 2. And then you will be good to go. Please email me with any questions or jump into our Google Hangout or on Tuesday or Thursday. I'll be there both of those days, or you can request a live hangout anytime and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and I can help you step through these puzzles. All right, y'all have a wonderful week and have fun with code.org.